I just been buying pizza actually, I was thinking of making a video of how to make a paper sign since I've actually been making a sign today. So, yeah, this is just a showcase. I'll be doing part ones and twos for this, and yeah, this is probably like my third voice review. So basically, we gotta make all the paper like just one piece, like out of a printer or something, all up, don't cut it or anything, and like probably cut it for these parts. Glue it on to a stick, the paper stick and stuff, and then you put the particles on, and then basically do that for probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, I guess. And then for the side parts, you gotta like roll up your paper diagonally. I'll just remove it. So basically do it like this. It's 2 pieces of paper. So do it like this until it makes like 20 bits here, and then so basically like that, something like this, and then you cut it out. That'll be like something like this. Cut it out, and then you glue it all together with glue and stuff. So then boom, and then you can glue it onto your paper stick. Glue the 2 sides.
Nathan, I have a request for you.
Wait, pause.
Can you?
Had to crush some food for dinner. So you basically do this part, you did the sign part for the head, that's done. You did the rib thingies, what do you call that? The wires, I think. That looks like ribs. And you did the stick, so you might want to move on to the arms. It's these things that it's basically just a normal roll. Like, just a normal roll like this. No cutting or anything. No cutting. And then you glue it onto the stick behind the science. And then you've got your arms, but you might want to do another one on since it's not really big enough. So you might actually want to do that, but I haven't done it yet. So after the six bits, you're gonna glue in some legs, like same with the arms, 2 of them, and then boom, you got the sign head all set up, and then you might want to actually paint it brown or something. I don't know how to make brown paper, and I'm not really I don't have that much time to really do it brown and stuff, so I'll just stick to that. That's it, and if you want me to make other paper stuff, let me know in the comments. Don't like or subscribe or anything, you can do that, it's your choice, and
Is it time to say
peace
sorry
out.
to those poor people that you can't